friend, it's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna show you how we made this big sea turtle and how you can make your own sea turtle like this one at home. Come on. For our sea turtle, we're gonna use this. I saw this aluminum pan and thought it looked perfect for a sea turtle shell. And then for the body and the fins, I'll use a big sheet of cardboard. Start by placing our big piece of cardboard down here and then placing our aluminum pan right on top, right in the middle. And then we can trace it. And we need to draw the head right here. And then the arms or the fins on the side are really big and long like this. But the back fins are a lot smaller. That looks great. Now we can cut it out with a blade or scissors. See that? Awesome. Now when we add on our aluminum tray, let's add it right here. It looks like it's turtle shell and we can tape it on with some masking tape. I like masking tape because you can paint over it. Here. Now we can paint him. I've got this sandy brownish color, this dark brown color, and then look, I've got this really slimy bright green. This will be perfect. Let's start by painting his arms and fins this bright green color. Nice. And then they kind of have spots. For now, let's add little dots of this tan color. And later we'll go in and we can draw some black lines all around to really give it some good dimension. But for now, this is good. Let's do the other side. Awesome. Let's do his face. Now for his face, we'll do the brighter part right around the neck here. And then we'll leave this so that we can draw some eyes on later. All right, now let's do his shell. This is the same light tan color that we used for all those little dots. Now we can go in with our brown paint and we can add some cool designs. And then later we'll go in with our black marker. Now sea turtles have 4 kind of big quadrants on each side. So we'll try to draw that. We'll go in right in the middle, bring it down around the sides here. And I can even go in with some highlight colors. Let's get this brush. And I've got this light yellow. And right here, you can just add a little bit right around each of the little sections. And I'll even take some of this light yellow and go right around the edge of his fin, right on the back here. And we'll do that on this side too. Whoa. I let this dry, and now we can add some detail with our marker. A sea turtle has all sorts of texture all along its fin and its shell, and we added all this texture here with these colors. But I want to go in with this black marker and just make some nice little scale marks all around here. And see how they're not really any specific shape? I'm just going around and connecting them all together. You can make some big ones and some small ones. Perfect. Doesn't that look so cool? It really defines the shape and makes it look nice and bumpy. And we can do that on the other side. Now for the head right here, I don't want to put scales right around his head, but I'm gonna go more around his neck area, all the way towards the shell. Let's add some cute eyelids right here. I'm just gonna do 2 little curves. 1, 2. He looks nice and happy. Now for the shell portion, we already made the quadrants, so we just have to go in and really define them. And I'll go in right where this brown is, and I'll just make our really nice lines. Curve it around. And I'll go down the sides here too. Wow, it turned out great. We're all done. I really love that we added these details. I just think it makes it pop. And I can't believe that this was an aluminum tray. Can you believe we turned this into this? It's always fun to see what cool items you can make really extraordinary with some paint and creativity. You know, you can make your own sea turtle at home too. We'll show you how. To make your own sea turtle at home, you'll just need a paper bowl. We're gonna use this for its turtle shell. And you can use a piece of cardboard, or you can use a big piece of construction paper too. We'll place this right on our piece of cardboard and we'll trace this around with a marker. And just like before, we'll draw a head, arms, or fins for swimming. And we'll just cut this out. Perfect. Now, if cutting out cardboard is a little too difficult, you can always use a paper plate like this and just cut out some fins like this. And you can use these fins for the arms. But for now, we're gonna use this piece of cardboard. Once you have your grown-up cut your cardboard out for you, you can take your bowl and place it right on top. And we'll just use some masking tape to tape it on. Nice. Now let's paint it just like we painted our other one. That's a happy little sea turtle. And now we're all done. It looks so small, like a little baby sea turtle. This can be the baby sea turtle, and this can be the mama sea turtle. And you can make something just like this at home with a paper bowl. Give it a try and see what you can come up with. Well, it's time for us to go now, but we had so much fun creating with you here in Tinkerland. And I hope you'll come back and visit us here real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend, and happy building. I know, Bill, these turned out so cool. There's lots more ocean creature crafts over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel, where we're making jellyfish, crabs, fish, and sea turtles that you can make at home. Plus, see Tinker and Bill construct a giant octopus in the park, all out of cardboard. It's all part of our Ocean Week celebration here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.